Audio CD 2, Track 28. Part B, True or False?
Peter talks to a clerk at the Lost and Found about his missing camera. I can't find my camera. I think it was stolen.
We've had pickpockets around lately. Was it in your pocket?
No, it was too big to put in my pocket.
When did you notice it missing?
After lunch, I had a strange feeling that it was gone. And it was.
When's the last time you remember having your camera?
In a cafe at lunchtime. I remember because I took a picture of a pretty girl.
Did you go back to the cafe?
Yes, of course.
All right. I'll fill out a report. What kind of camera was it?
A digital camera. It's silver.
Well, I hope we find it.
Yes, maybe it wasn't stolen. It could just be lost. If so, someone will turn it in here.